Etnyre LiveBottom trailers get their name from the hydraulically powered moving conveyor that is their floor, with a full 42-inch wide belt for the fastest unload time in the industry. Falcon LiveBottoms can carry a variety of products such as grain, construction aggregate, and bituminous asphalt for hot mix paving. They unload through a tailgate, either barn door, bifold, or concrete, by moving the entire load rearward on the conveyor belt in the bottom of the hopper. Unlike a conventional dump truck, LiveBottoms do not have to tip up, allowing them to operate safely in places with restricted overhead clearance. They are made in overall lengths from 30 feet all the way up to 48-foot models and range from 2-axle clear up to 8-axle. And with an optional side discharge road widener unit, the LiveBottom's functionality is increased even further.